How to receive money on PayPal without a bank account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to receive a money on PayPal without linking your bank account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, you need to open your browser over here. Once you're in the browser, in the search bar, you need to type paypal.com. This will take you to the official PayPal website. Once you're in the website, you need to click on login if you have already made an account and sign up if you have not made an account. Now, I'll simply click on login over here since I've already made an account. And once you have done that, you need to enter your email and your mobile number. Then you will need to enter your password and then hit login. Once you're in the PayPal, you can see that here is an option that says get paid, which means request money option. So simply click on request money and it will take you to this interface. From here, you can either enter their phone number or their email address. You do not need to enter any bank account over here. You can simply enter their name and email address and a message will be sent to them that you have requested a money from them, from PayPal, and they will be able to add money to your account. And that's it. It's that easy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.